In the blue corner. What's his name?
Come, Jelly.
Coming out of the corner here in the blue. StoneCold Jelly. Yeah. And in the black corner, because he likes black stuff. The one, the only, the Nate. I'm sure he'll give his own info here.
Shut up, fatso! This is a nature boy! Woo! I'm the world's heavyweight champion! And don't you forget it!
StoneCold's got one thing for you. This is a 30-minute, no retreat, no surrender to the death match. Watch him, Stone.
Come on, get him.
Oh! Yeah, I got you, boy, now! I'm a... Oh! 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 Oh!
What we got here?
He comes out of his pocket with a foreign object. Hey! 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 Wait! Hey! Watch this!
He threw it in the ring.
Watch this! Watch this!
Puff! 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 Puff!
Oh! StoneCold might be down, but he ain't out.
Give it up! Ow! Ah!
Like a burnt car cracker.
Ow! Ow!
And there goes the Halloween candy.
Ow! No! Please! No! Please! Please! No, hair! No, I'm just joking, man. Come on. Please. I'm getting bucked now, whoa, man!
One, two, back. One, two,
three! Dad, I got cheated! I got cheated as usual!
get security, get security. Oh!
Doug Dillon, we need the rail run.
Somebody stole it. There's,
Come on, Dally, let's get him. Come on, let's get him.
oh, now. Oh, oh, and he turns on Stone Cold Jelly.
I told you to get him. You didn't get him. I told you to get him.
Oh! Oh!
Doug Dillon, we need some security out here. This is getting way out of hand. Look at the carnage in the ring. Get up now. Come on. I told
Do you give up?
Here, have a sucker. Oh.
And the Nature Boys took over the bell.
Because I won the match. I don't have to be in this carnage. I'm creating every bit of what you see. Because I'm the Nature Boy. And you're another piece of trash. You try to come. Oh. Ah. Oh.
Oh! Oh.
What about that, greatest?
He took a great
I want
fall.
a doggone title shot. 2 weeks. I'll be back. I want my title shot. I beat you tonight.
Woo!
I want
Yeah.
my food.
Hey, Stone Cold said so.
You got what I want. And I'll be coming for it.
Cal.
Do you know who you're talking to?
Yeah, I know who I'm talking
I'm
to.
Destroyed it.
Oh.
Stunner! Stunner! Oh.
You're talking to the Nature Boy. You don't ever talk to the world champion that way.
Leverage.
You're Scottish champion. I'm the champion. You don't never, ever do me that way again. Eat it till you choke.
Woo!
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 Shut up, fatso. Yeah, that's what your mama said, and she's awful good the other night. Ah!